If I told you you could generate hundreds of high-converting video ads for your Shopify products and launch them straight into Facebook ads in just a few clicks, would you believe me? Watch this. Every Shopify seller knows the struggle. Finding that next winning creative, spending hours on edits, revisions, animations, formats, ratios, and by the time you're done, the trend is already over. But starting today, that all changes. With AdGPT.com, you can generate mass volumes of fresh, eye-catching video creatives using AI instantly. No editing, no guesswork, no creative block. Not only that, just a few clicks, you can push those video ads directly into your Meta Ads account and launch campaigns immediately. Imagine endless video creatives, zero effort, instant upload, total automation. Step 1. Accessing your brands. We're now inside the AdGPT.com. From the homepage, click My Brands. This is where all your brands live. You can always create a new one by clicking the blue button, Add New Brand. Step 2, connecting to Meta Ads. To connect your brand to your Facebook ads account, click Connect Your Meta Ads account. Now we log into our Facebook profile. Next, we select the Facebook page. We want to link to this brand on AdGPT. Choose the page. Click Continue. Then choose the business manager you want to connect. Click Continue. And finally, click Save. Step 3. Choosing the ad account. Now we pick the specific ad account we want to work with and press Connect. Once you see the success message on the right side of the screen, we're good to move on. Step 4. Selecting a Shopify product. In the sidebar, click My Store. Choose the product you want to turn into an animated video creative. Then press Generate Video Ads. Step 5. Generating video creatives. AdGPT.com automatically generates the perfect video ad prompt based on the product you selected. You can edit this prompt or add anything else you want. Now choose your desired ratio. Decide whether you want sound or not, and click Generate. Step 6. Reviewing the AI-generated videos. AdGPT now creates 6 completely different video creatives for your product. Look at these. Stunning animations, dynamic motion applied to static product images, different layouts, overlays, hooks, call to actions, everything optimized to boost conversions point. Let's select one of these videos. Step 7. Video preview plus editing options. We're now in the Facebook-style preview mode. From here, we can download the creatives, share them with teammates, or edit the ad copy if we want to tweak something. Once we're happy with the ad, click Upload to Meta Ad Account. Step 8. Creating the campaign. Choose Create New Campaign. Set your campaign details, campaign objective, campaign name, target country, start and schedule, budget, bid amount, and click Create Campaign and Next. Step 9. Creating the ad set. Name your ad set and click Create Ad Set and Next. Step 10. Creating the ad. Now we're in the final ad creation step. Give your ad a name, paste the product link, edit the call to action if you want, and click Create Ad. That's it. Your ad is now live in your Meta Ads account. You can even preview how it looks across all Facebook placements. Absolutely incredible. Stop wasting hours creating creatives manually. Start producing unlimited video ads in minutes with AdGPT.com. Sign up today for free at AdGPT.com and let your Shopify store scale itself.